Are you familiar with that feeling of overwhelm when there is so much to do, so much going on in your life that you don't know where to start, and there's a feeling of paralysis, and you're just stuck in that place and doing nothing, and you end up procrastinating? Well, this video is for you. It's a short tapping where you can release all that feeling of stress, overwhelm, so that you can feel a little bit calmer, a little bit more focused, a little bit more clarity, so that you can take a tiny bit of action and free yourself from that stuck place. So rating your level of overwhelm right now on a scale from 0 to 10, where 0 is not overwhelmed at all and 10 is the most overwhelmed that you can imagine. And just notice what number comes up for you. Notice where you feel that overwhelm in your body right now, and if you don't know, guess or make it up. Notice the body sensations in that part of your body and the emotions associated with it. And if that sensation in your body of overwhelm had a colour, notice what that would be as well. So the invitation is simply to tap along with me, do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, then simply don't do it. But if you do tap along with me, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. So let's start. So even though I have this overwhelm right now, and I acknowledge how that makes me feel, and I acknowledge how that feels in my body right now. And that's the way it is right now. And I deeply and completely accept myself and this feeling of overwhelm. And even though I have this feeling of overwhelm right now, I acknowledge that that's the way it is, and I'm open to the possibility of knowing that that can change. And even though I am feeling overwhelmed, I choose to know that there is a way out of this. And I'm taking baby steps to finding that now. So we're going to tap through the points now. This overwhelm, I'm noticing where I feel it in my body. I'm noticing how it makes me feel. I'm noticing what it's stopping me doing. I'm noticing how it's making me respond to the things that I need to do. It feels like there's too much going on in my life right now. And that's making me feel stuck and trapped. And I just don't know where to start. And that's how it is right now. And that's okay. So I'm noticing my feet on the ground. I'm noticing my body in the chair. I'm noticing my breath just as it is. And as you tap under the arm, take a loving, deeper breath in now. It's okay to be in this present moment right now. And as I focus on this present moment, I allow my being to become more present. Under the eyes, and expanding my awareness and of this moment. And as you tap on the chin point, take a deep breath into that part of your body where you've been feeling that overwhelm. Let's breathe together. I've had this feeling of not knowing where to start. Because it's all felt like too much. But what if I could take one baby step? One baby step as soon as I finish tapping. I wonder what that baby step would be. One tiny thing that lasts no longer than 5 minutes. To create more ease in my being right now. I'm open to the possibility of knowing and trusting that it just takes one tiny step. To create a little shift in this sense of overwhelm. And just like the expression that you don't eat an elephant whole, you eat it one chunk at a time. Not that I'd be eating elephants anyway, but you know what I mean. I'm open to the possibility of breaking this big overwhelm down into one tiny step. And I only have to think of one tiny step right now. And if that tiny step seems too big, I'm breaking it down even further. So that that one tiny step feels completely manageable right now. And as soon as I finish tapping, I'm going to take one tiny step of action right now. Feeling calmer and lighter at the thought of this possibility. Creating space for movement. I'm going to take action right now. And I'm already feeling a bit better about it. A bit calmer. A bit lighter. Finding the way forward. Bringing ease into this moment. Creating movement forward. And put your hands on your heart chakra, centre of the chest. Say transform. Take a deep breath. Transform. So rating again your feeling of overwhelm on a scale from 0 to 10. Hopefully it's gone down. If it hasn't, do reach out in the comments, and I'm sure I can give you some advice on that. And in the meantime, go and take action and let me know what you've done, and have an amazing rest of your day. This is Tamara Donn from the EFT Training Centre, EFTtrainingsentre.com for more information. Bye.